In today's class, we're going to discuss class 4th Gulmohar Golden Jubilee Edition, chapter number 7, that is Saving the Sparrow, which is written by Anil Chandra. So, question, answer, and exercises will be discussed in the video. So, this is the first page I'll show you here on my screen. So, let us go for question answer. Here, understanding the text. Number these sentences in order of the event in the story. So, see. There are many sentences given. Ordering you have to do of this sentence. So I'll show you the answer, the proper order. You can see the proper order. So first, here are cycle to the power situation near his village. ये number 5 है. ठीक है. Ram भरोसे went to the ladder and carefully feed the bird. ये 9 है. And Hiralal was worried when she saw that the bird was not flapping its wing. ये 3 है. ठीक है. और जो फोर्थ है दैट इज 8, 5 इज 6. ठीक है. 5 इज 6 एंड 6 इज 1. देन 7 इज 10. 8 इज 7. Then this one is 4. Then the next is 2. And the next is 4 and 2. Okay, so these are the sentences. The proper order you can see. Now let us go for question answer. Under sorry, answer this question में देखिए. Why didn't Hira Lal do anything to save the birds in the morning? So it's because he was going to school and did not know what to do. So he went off to school hoping someone else would save the bird. Question number 2. I will not let either of you to go near wire. Who said these words to whom? When and why did the speaker say these words? So Hiralal's mother said these words to Hiralal and his father. When Hiralal was coming back from school, he saw that the bird had still not been saved. In fact, it had stopped flapping its wings. Seeing this, Hiralal was very concerned about the bird and began to worry. He went home and asked his parents to help him get the bird down from the power line. When his father wondered how they would be able to reach the board since it was trapped so high, Hiralal's mother said that it would be a very dangerous thing to do, and she would not let either of them go near the wire. She said she said this because the power lines brought electricity, and people touching the lines could get a bad electric shock. What did Hiral request the superior to do? Why didn't the supervisor agree to do it? When Hiralal went to meet supervisor, he told the supervisor about the sparrow trapped in the power lines. He requested him to switch off the power for a short while so that the sparrow could be freed from the power lines without anyone getting an electric shock. The supervisor did not agree to switch off the power because many people would be inconvenienced, and as an example, he mentioned the how patient would suffer if power went off in the middle of their operation. 4. You have a large hurt. Who said this to whom and why? The supervisor at a power station said this to Hiralal. Hiralal had cycled all the way to the power situation to request that the power be shut down so that the sparrow trapped in the power lines could be released. When the supervisor saw how concerned Hiralal was about the sparrow and how crestfallen he was at not being able to save the bird, the supervisor, touched by Hiralal's compassion and love for animals, he was moved by how strongly he felt about the birds. Why did the moment seem magical to Hiralal? So initially the bird was still in Hiralal's hand. Then it suddenly jumped up, spread its wing, and flew away. The moment seemed magical to Hiralal as it filled with him happiness to see the bird flying free again. Appreciating the word में देखिए complete this table when with example from the text that show these quality in हीरालाल. हीरालाल में इन क्वालिटी को दिखाना है. आपने पहला है watchful and alert, kind hearted, problem solver and brave. ठीक है, देखिए तो Hiranori spotted the bird trapped in the power lines while he was cycling to school. Later, he noticed that he stopped flapping its wing. He knew exactly whether the bird was and could show it to Ram Bharosa and save the bird. B को देखेंगे the sight of trapped the bird, the sight of the trapped the bird made Hiranori feel bad for the bird. He was very worried and when he saw that the bird's condition had worsened. सी को देखेंगे अभी he thought about the problem and came up with an idea to solve it. He was so protective and cycled all the way to the power station to try and save the sparrow. डी में देखेंगे he cycled all the way to power station and was brave enough to talk to the supervisor to request him to switch off the power so that the bird could be saved. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में देखेंगे क्या है. Can in the story the reader feel different emotions, sad, worried, hopeful and happy. Whenever you will be reading the chapter you will get these emotions. ठीक है, तो give an example of each and say why do you feel so. ठीक है, आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा एंड एड एनी अदर इमोशन दैट यू मे हैव फेल्ट वेयर एंड वाई. ठीक है, और कुछ और भी अगर आपको इमोशन जैसा लगता है आप उसको फिल करिए और उसको लिखिए. तो सैड आपको क्यों लगता है. द इमेज ऑफ द स्पैरो हैंगिंग फ्रॉम द पावर लाइंस हेड डाउन डेस्परेटली फ्लैपिंग इट्स. जब ये सिचुएशन आप देखेंगे, हमारा रीडर देखता है, हम और आप पढ़ते हैं जब ये चैप्टर, तो हमें सैड फीलिंग होती है. वरीड क्यों होती है. द इमेज ऑफ द स्पैरो हैंगिंग विद इट्स विंग स्प्रेड बट नॉट मूविंग मेक्स अस फील दैट द बर्ड वाज टू टायर्ड एंड वीक एंड वुड पॉसिबली डाई. हम वरीड हो जाते हैं, हम चिंतित हो जाते हैं. क्यों. क्योंकि हम जब देखते हैं कि वो वायर से ऐसे लटका हुआ है, वो जो बर्ड है, ठीक है, वो कुछ मूवमेंट नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा थक चुका है. तो हमें लगता है कि शायद ही ये जीवित रह सके, तो हम थोड़ा सा चिंतित होते हैं. Hopeful, we feel hopeful when we read that Hiralal has an idea. He gets a chance to talk to the supervisor at the power station, and when Ram Bharose calls Hiralal to break of dawn. ठीक है, तो हम जब ये सिचुएशन देखते हैं हम थोड़ा सा उम्मीद से भर जाते हैं, हम हैप्पी होते हैं. वी फील हैप्पी when Ram Bharose manages to free the bird, gives it to Hiralal and the bird jumps and fly. ठीक है, ऐसी सिचुएशन देख के हम फ्री हो जाते हैं. और आगे के भी जो आंसर है कुछ और ऐड करना है आपको, अगर आपने ऐसा फील किया तो ये आपने खुद ही ट्राई करनी है. दैट इज़ फ्री टू रेस्पॉन्स. ठीक है, ग्रामर एंड यूसेज में देखिए पहला जो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन है चैप्टर है, पहला एक्सरसाइज बच्चों. कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस ए विद बी if necessary and the key words in the capital letters, then plus and minus indicate the higher or lower degree of compassion. Double plus and double minus show the highest or the lowest. गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. ठीक है, मोर लेस, कंफर्टेबल, द मोर एंड मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल. ये पॉजिटिव डिग्री, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री की बात कर रहा हूँ. ओके, आई वॉज अनवेल यस्टरडे बट आई एम फीलिंग बेटर. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे वेल है तो वेल का जो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री होगा वो बेटर होगा. अब यहाँ पे देखिए माइनस लिटिल की बात करें, माइनस लिटिल का मतलब क्या है, लोअर डिग्री. ठीक है, लेट अस सी द आंसर. पहला है, दूसरा लेस, लीस्ट कंफर्टेबल, मोर केयरफुल, मोस्ट एनचैंटिंग, मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट एंड वर्स. बी में देखिए क्या करें. इन योर नोटबुक रीअरेंज दीज वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. पहला देखिए, जेनेट हैज टू प्रिटी ब्लू रिबन्स. ऐसे आपको इसको रीअरेंज करना है. दूसरा देखेंगे, वी गेव मदर अ ब्राइट येलो स्वेटर. Tarun wants to open the big old grey iron box. Daya found a weak tiny black pup by the road. I spotted 4 little red birds on the terrace. They have a magnificent antique teak furniture. That is finished now. We'll go for the next page. Question number 3, that is up to you. In pair you have to do. Words in use में देखेंगे. Refer to the many dictionary again. Let us see. So, a kind and generous character. Answer, used to say what someone else is really like, learned in such a way that you can repeat it from memory. To do what one would really love to do. To become or discourage. To feel encouraged. ठीक है, अब यही चीज़ आपको नेक्स्ट ई में करना है. So this is the answer. Though she seemed very proud, she's very shy person at heart. अब मैं आपको ये एक बार समझा ही दूं वरना आपको ये समझ में नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, ये आप करना है. ठीक है, जस्ट डाउट. If Shyam likes cooking, he would stick to it. He should follow his heart. D देखेंगे. You must know every word of this word of it. Learn it by heart. चौथे में F में देखेंगे. Parul always help everyone around her. She has a heart of gold. 5B देखेंगे. You can always take a test again. Don't lose heart. 6 देखेंगे. 6 the weather is improving. They take heart will be able to set sail today. अभी बी में देखेंगे. बी का जो एक्सरसाइज है मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखा दूँ. ये है. ठीक है, ये आपने नाउ करना है. लेट अस गो. तो बी देखेंगे. द फर्स्ट इज हेल्पलेस, डेंजरस, पेशेंट एंड फील्ड. अभी स्पेलिंग में आप देखिए. दिस इज कंप्लीट these phrases with ing, form the highlighted word. ठीक है, बहुत ही इजी है. लाइंग, pedaling, flying, arriving, paying, entering and skipping. Writing or activity 1 2 3, that is up to you students. You have to complete this writing section and activity section. So all exercises and writing section, activity section we have now completed, and all question answer asked. So I hope this video will help you to complete your all assignment. मिलते हैं next video में. Till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.